Sir, now we are discussing RERA Act 2016. Everyone says it is a game changer in real estate. But from valuation perspective, what exactly changed?
Yes, absolutely correct. RERA brought transparency, accountability, and discipline into real estate sector. Earlier, there was delay, misuse of funds, lack of clarity. Now, everything is more structured.
So, what are the main objectives?
Key objectives are establish regulatory authority, that is RERA, protect buyers, ensure transparency, provide dispute redressal.
Scope includes residential and commercial projects, real estate agents, ongoing and new projects. So it covers almost entire real estate ecosystem.
Yes, very comprehensive.
Now the important provisions, what should we remember?
Let's break it down. Mandatory registration. Developers must register projects before selling.
70% project account rule, 70% of buyer funds must be used only for that project. So diversion of funds is restricted.
Yes, this ensures project completion.
Timely completion, developers must complete on time or pay penalties. Standardized agreements, clear, legally structured agreements reduce ambiguity. No alteration without consent, developer cannot change plans without buyer approval. Sir, what about construction quality?
Very important.
Developer is liable for defects for 5 years after possession. That increases accountability.
Yes, and protects buyers.
Sir, how does a typical transaction flow?
Allotment letter, agreement for sale, conveyance deed. Each stage is documented, regulated.
What about dispute redressal?
RERA authority, appellative tribunal. Handle disputes like delay, quality, misrepresentation.
So faster resolution compared to courts?
Yes, that is the intent.
Now the most important, valuation impact.
Very critical. Due diligence. Valuer must check RERA registration, project status, compliance.
Risk reduction. RERA reduces completion risk, legal uncertainty. Impact on developer. If delays, non-compliance, then penalties, reputation loss, value impact. Buyer confidence, higher transparency, higher demand, better value. Sir, so RERA has shifted valuation from uncertainty to structured assessment?
Exactly. Earlier valuation was assumption-based. Now it is data-based, compliance-based.
So final understanding, RERA ensures transparency, regulates developers, protects buyers, enforces timelines and quality, and for valuers it becomes essential to verify compliance and assess risk accordingly.
Perfect. Always remember, RERA has made real estate more credible and predictable, and valuation more reliable and defensible.
Understood. This is truly a game changer.
Yes, and a must-know for every professional valuer.